Hello, welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Pletox. In this video, we will learn one by one all the master data records. Let's begin. This is our Pletox dashboard. At the upper right-hand side corner, you will see Profile. I am logged into Super Admin. First click on Console, Settings dashboard will get opened. To the left-hand side, you will see a Organization option drop down. Click on that next, we will see one by one all the master data records. First click on Companies option, new dashboard will get opened. To the upper right-hand side corner, you will see an option of Add Company, click on it. After clicking on it, a new pop-up window will get opened, where you have enter a new company name, and after that click on Add button. After successfully adding company, click on I button to add or assign a user for that company. After that, we have to see how to add a contractor. Click on Contractor option, then click on Add Contractor button. A new pop-up window will get display. Enter a name for a contractor, same after adding contractor successfully. Click on I button to add, then at the upper right-hand side corner. Click on Assign User and click on Plus button to assign anyone as a contractor. After that, again, come to a Organization, drop down and click on Category option, then click on Add Category, which is to the upper right-hand side corner. After clicking on it, a new pop-up window will come. Enter a name of category and label at last click on Add button to save it. You can assign user to a particular category by clicking on I button. After that again, come to Organization drop down and click on Location. A new dashboard will get opened to a upper right-hand side. Click on Add Location. New pop-up screen will display. Then select a company. Then enter a new location. Then select a head and reporting director from drop-down. At last, click on Add button. Location. Added successfully status will display. Now we will see how to add department. Click on Department option from Organization drop-down. Then click on Add Department. Again, new pop-up window will display. Then enter a department name, select a company from drop-down, then select location, choose a head of department and reporting director from drop-down and click on Add button to save details successfully.
Again, click on Division from Organization drop-down, click on Add Division, then select a department, then enter a division and click on Add button, and division added successfully status will display. Also, we will see how to add designation in Pletox application. Click on Add Designation and just enter a name of designation and click on Add to get save. After that, for assigning anyone as the executive, go to I button and click on Plus option to assign. At last, we will also see how to make group. Click on Add Group and enter name of group and click on Add to save. Thank you for watching. Video switch to Pletox now.